Imagine an incredible creature that can change its color and texture in an instant. It can solve puzzles and escape from locked tanks. Astonishingly, it can even taste through its skin. It may sound unbelievable, but this fantastic being isn't from a science fiction story. It's the extraordinary octopus. For years, these 8-armed marvels have captivated scientists. On today's episode, we'll explore 12 fascinating facts about octopuses. They're undoubtedly some of the coolest animals on our planet. So, let's dive in. First, let's dispel a common myth. Those squirming limbs. They're arms, not tentacles. What's more astonishing is that each arm contains its own mini-brain. 2/3 of an octopus's neurons reside in the arms rather than the head. Each arm can taste, touch, and even make independent decisions. If you were to cut one off, not that you'd want to, it can still wriggle and react for some time. Did you know that octopuses possess 3 hearts? 2 hearts pump blood to the gills for oxygen, while the 3rd heart circulates oxygen-rich blood. Here's the twist. When they swim, the primary heart stops beating. Consequently, they prefer crawling along the ocean floor. Swimming wears them out quickly. And get this, their blood is blue instead of red, thanks to copper instead of iron. This unique adaptation allows them to thrive in cold, low-oxygen waters. Octopuses are true masters of transformation. They have specialized cells known as chromatophores, which enable them to rapidly change color, texture, and pattern. This skill allows them to blend seamlessly into rocks, coral, or sand. Some, like the mimic octopus, can even impersonate other creatures such as lionfish or sea snakes to deter hungry predators. They don't just hide, they put on an entire show. Regarded as the smartest invertebrates on Earth, octopuses are adept at solving mazes, opening jars, and utilizing tools like coconut shells for shelter. They can even remember solutions for months. One well-known story tells of an octopus in an aquarium that repeatedly escaped its tank at night to snag fish from another tank, closing the lid behind it each time. They can also squirt water at keepers they dislike. Yes, they have their own preferences. When faced with danger, octopuses release a cloud of dark ink. The ink irritates a predator's eyes and confuses their sense of smell and taste. Imagine launching a pepper spray grenade, then swiftly escaping via a quick burst of water from their siphon. Octopuses can actually detect light through their skin, even with their eyes covered. This ability helps them adjust their camouflage on the fly. It's like wearing living, high-tech suits of invisibility. Most octopuses live only 1 to 2 years, yet in that brief span, they grow incredibly fast and become experts at survival. After mating, many females stop eating and devote themselves fully to guarding their eggs for months, sometimes up to 4.5 years in deep-sea species. After their hatchlings emerge, the mother often dies. This showcases one of the most devoted motherhood acts in the animal kingdom. While all octopuses carry venom, only a few species, like the tiny blue-ringed octopus, pose a real threat to humans. And if they lose an arm during a scuffle, no need to worry. They can regenerate a fully functional arm, complete with suckers and nerves. In captivity, bored octopuses may exhibit a behavior called autophagy, munching on their own arms. That's why quality aquariums provide them with toys and puzzles to engage their intelligent minds. Octopuses evolved distinctly from vertebrates. Their eyes may look like ours, yet their wiring is entirely different. They possess blue blood, 3 hearts, distributed brains, and the ability to edit their own RNA for environmental adaptability. Scientists argue that their genome makes them some of the most remarkable animals on Earth. 12 compelling reasons why octopuses rank among the ocean's quirkiest, smartest, and most amazing creatures. Which fact caught you by surprise the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this, please give that like button a tap. Subscribe for more awesome facts every week, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. What animal should we check out next?